Hello everybody, now we are going to solve this problem. So when you have a look at this is a summer circuit. So this is a summer. So what's the formula for that? So here this V naught, that's the output voltage, that is equal to minus of RF by R1 into V1 plus RF by R2 into V2 plus RF by R3 into V3. This is the formula. Okay. So simply you have to substitute the values here. So this is your RF. Take this as your R1, R2, R3, and this is your V1 and V2 and V3. So we need to find out this value V2 here, right? Okay, let's proceed now. So RF is 50. It is given in kilo ohms. So RF by R1 means if you are writing it in kilo ohms, then they get cancelled. So I am not putting this term into 10 power 3 because in both numerator and denominator you have the kilo ohm values only. Okay, so it is 50 by 10 kilo ohms multiplied by this 2 plus this RF here again 50 divided by this R2 is 20 multiplied by this V2 value, which is to be found out by us, and RF by R3 is 50 divided by this R3 is 50 again multiplied by this minus 1 volt. So this is equal to minus of 10. Here it is plus 2.5 V2. Then here it is minus 1. And this V naught value is given here as this minus 16.5 volts, isn't it? So we can write this as minus 16.5. So this minus minus get cancelled. So on this side you have this is 16.5, that is equal to 9 plus 2.5 V2, or you can write this as 2.5 V2 is equal to 16.5 minus 9, so that is equal to 7.5. So V2 is equal to 7.5 divided by 2.5, so that is equal to 3 volts. So what's the answer for this? It is 3 volts. This is our answer. So similarly, we'll solve the problem for the 6th edition. So what is this formula? Already we have written V naught is equal to. So simply I am substituting the values here. So it is 50 by 10 into this minus 3 plus 50 by 20 into V2 plus 50 by 50 into this 5 volts. Okay, so it is 16.5 minus 16.5 is this V naught. So minus of this, cancel it out. So it is minus 15 plus here it is 2.5 V2. Here it is plus 5. So this is minus minus get cancelled out. 16.5 is equal to minus 10 plus 2.5 V2. So 2.5 V2 is equal to 16.5 plus 10. So it is 2.5 V2 is equal to 26.5, or V2 is equal to 26.5 divided by 2.5. So it is 10.6 volts. So the answer V2, so V2 is equal to 10.6 volts. This is the answer.